The A.R.T app, attorneysrealtime.com, providing video communication with a live attorney for immediate legal monitoring, representation, and counseling to serve your legal needs. Skip the costly prepaid legal services that require monthly and yearly service plans, and just pay as you go by the minute for legal monitoring, representation, and counseling without any contracts or commitments. Dana is driving and is stopped by local law enforcement. The officer then inquires about Dana's intention. Dana is logged into the A.R.T app where a live attorney is appearing on video chat to represent Dana during this law enforcement interaction. Also, Brian, whom is stopped by law enforcement for a potential vehicle search, has logged into the A.R.T app for immediate legal monitoring with a live attorney. In Samantha's case, whom was just involved in a minor traffic accident and potentially has some injuries, has logged on the A.R.T app once emergency services have arrived for prompt access to an attorney available for representing her through this event. Oliver, whom has had many legal issues in his business and personal life, was finding it difficult to search for a good attorney to consult and discuss his legal concerns, along with struggling to also schedule appointments and meetings with those attorneys. Then he heard about the A.R.T app from a friend, who suggested he check out the app and website. They tried the app and found simple access to video chat with an attorney in real time, along with the ability to schedule future appointments. The A.R.T app finds the attorney nearby you in real time with their service category, license number, and legal experience, where it also manages future scheduling with an attorney. Be smart like Dana, Brian, Samantha, and Oliver, and don't waste time and energy inefficiently trying to find an attorney and manage appointments. Let the A.R.T app do it. Download it now on the App Store or get it on Google Play.